level 10 now.
Hey, yeah.
Basi, give me.
Okay.
There's a lot of islands. Where are you?
Over here, bro.
Oh, wait.
You're dead. I'm always. I'm not playing always. Box please. Yeah.
Basi, come here.
Dash. I'm going to the middle.
No. Come here. You have to wait and use something. Give me. Wait.
I'm in a.
Wait lang, Basi. Wag mo wala na yung cellphone ko. Ano, bili na lang, di ba? Bili na lang muna kasi muna kinagamit.
Mili.
Tadya, Basti si Ate Joy? Asa ka, Basti? Halika, Basti, halika.
I'm in the middle. Why?
Sumama sa akin. Bibili tayo boat.
Where are you? You're so fast.
Ako to. Ako nga pala, mabilis nga pala talaga ako. Hindi ka pwede mag-dash. Baba pala ako. Pwede ko na pala. Ako na. Huwag ka na bibili.
Hey, wait for me, bro.
Get it. Jump. Double jump. Oh my God. You're gonna die.
No.
You're gonna die.
No.
Why did I buy a Grand Brigade? Oh, then you have
Where are you? I will grind, bro. Okay.
No. You have to grind it anew. Okay, here, get in here. Come here.
Where are you? Okay. Boom.
Let's see.
Why did you-
Come here. I got a new boat. Here, come here. Fast, go. No. Get in here. Here. Basi, dito ka ako upo. Basi, dito ka upo. Punta ka dyan. Yeah, punta ka dyan. Oh, yes. Sige, dyan ka lang, ha.
Dry, bro. Woo! For NSC. Wait. My compass. No way. My compass. I'm sorry.
No. Don't worry.
Put it back. Come on.
No, we're gonna go here to the other island so you can grind here.
My compass is wrong.
No. Your compass is right. Look. Your compass is good. Come here.
You're in the. This is the jungle?
Yeah. No. Don't kill it yet. Don't kill it.
Okay, bro.
Come
Okay.
here. Double jump.
Yeah.
Come here.
Why?
Come here.
Why you're so
You're gonna
fast?
get a quest. Come here. Okay, click to interact.
I know it.
Nakakain na ba ako? Monkeys.
Monkeys.
Confirm.
in level 11.
Okay, come here. Kill this.
Where are you? Where are you?
Wait, why is... What? I don't get it.
Are you in monkeys?
Yeah, kill it.
I'm in level 11, bro.
Yeah, you can kill them.
Even in level 11?
Yeah.
Come on. No, I'm not using combat. Come on. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Where are you?
No, I die. I don't want here. I want to go.
What?
I want to go out. And you.
Where are you? Okay, I found you. Cassie, come here. No, I'm gonna help you. Kill it now, kill it. There.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, come on.
Wait.
I'm not using combat, bro.
Oh, I killed it, I think. Come here.
I have I on my combat now. Kill it.
Kill that.
Woo!
Okay,
I'm still on my combat.
come here.
Okay, bro. You're so fast. Wait for me. Where are you?
Come here. Oh, I forgot. It's right here.
I have to double. Oh my god! What did I do?
Come here.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
I'm in my base.
I'm in the base. Come here.
Where?
I'm right here. Come here.
I'm gonna walk over there. Yeah. I'm on my combat. Yeah. This map, bro. Kill me alone. I want to play. Kill me, bro. Boom. Dead. Let's go. You're dashing, bro.
Come here.
Woo! Winning. We're finding some monkeys. I found a base. I'll get that. Yes.
Come here.
I get the chest, bro. I'm hiding over here. I'm hiding.
You know I can see you.
Yes. You can see me.
You're right there. No.
Kill me. Boom, 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 boom. I'm in level 18.
18. Oh, bago ka na. Halika dito.
We're going to the bridge.
Here. Get a new quest. The gorillas.
Next was gorillas.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, come here. Come with me, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Why am I not moving? Where are you?
I'm right here.
What the? Where are you? I can.
Oh, I forgot you don't have a F skill. Wait,
not dying over here. Yes! Kain muna. Baba tayo.
Tigil na tayo. Pero kakain pa.
Nakay pa. Lili